Never in a million years did I think I would have 950,000 followers on TikTok. Actually, let me check. Right now, today's date is Thursday the 10th of June, and I actually have... Oh, I have 962,000 followers. What? I knew I'd be able to grow a social media platform. I didn't expect it to grow this fast. You know when people say, if I can do it, you can do it? Like this, my TikTok thingo, the whole platform of TikTok and me growing on TikTok, if I can do it, literally anyone can. I have been saying for over 12 months now that like TikTok is a phenomenal platform, and if you've got a business, if you're building a personal brand, you should be on TikTok. TikTok's the best because the average person can blow up overnight and literally change their life. Like, I feel weird saying this, but my life has literally changed because of TikTok. If I didn't have my TikTok following, I wouldn't be getting the brand deals that I'm getting. I wouldn't be having the views that I'm getting on my like YouTube channel. There's so many things that literally come down to me growing my platform on, oh my god, my course, like my balloon garland course. Ignore all the balloon garlands in the background, they're from old jobs, but so much has happened and I've been able to expand my income sources, literally all because of one social media platform, which I originally thought was for 16-year-olds that could dance. I feel like I mention this a lot in my videos about TikTok, that like it literally can change your life. I'm gonna give you two examples. The first one is the cranberry juice guy. He created a video where he was skating down a street, drinking cranberry juice and singing Fleetwood Mac. He didn't just create a viral video, he created a viral trend. That video went bananas. Everyone on TikTok was doing it, celebrities were doing it, social media influencers were doing it, people with like massive platforms were doing it, and then one of the guys in the Fleetwood Mac band did it as well. Like, he reached this humongous audience. He followed Gary Vee a lot too, which is something that I definitely resonated with and something that definitely pushed me to start a TikTok account. Gary Vee kept saying in a lot of stuff that I followed that like TikTok's the best platform if you're wanting to grow a following fast. If you are confident in front of a camera, you should be on TikTok. Even if you're not confident, get on TikTok because it's the fastest way to reach an engaged audience. And for me and for this cranberry guy, it definitely worked. He has millions of followers now. He has merch that sells out. He has merch that when he originally started, I think he was doing embroidery himself, but now the demand just grew way too fast. So that's one example. The other example, which I'm sure you've heard of, is Addison Rae. So Addison Rae only started doing TikTok in July 2019. That is not even 2 years. It hasn't even been 2 years. Today's date is, what did I say? The 10th of June. It hasn't been 2 years and she has amassed millions of followers. Let me bring her up and we're gonna see. She has 80.9 million, almost 81 million followers. What? That's in less than 2 years. That's what she's grown from. I hate to think of the hundreds and thousands, definitely millions of dollars of brand deals that she's bringing in. She's also started her own company, Item Beauty. I assume that's selling really well. Like, TikTok can literally change your life. And in this video, I'm gonna run you through my TikTok story, just a brief overview of that, and then I'm gonna run you through some of my top tips for growing your following organically, how it can literally change your life. And I think this would be really valuable for anyone who's just starting out on TikTok or is a little bit curious as to how TikTok works. Okay, I'm gonna give you a really quick rundown of how I got started on TikTok. So I'm sure wherever you are in the world, you're affected by COVID-19 around the start of 2020. So I actually went on holidays at the end of Feb 2020, came back to my hometown March 2020, COVID kicked off, my businesses had to close, I wasn't being able to work, and I was kind of like, what am I doing with my time? In the background, I definitely taken note that Gary Vee kept mentioning TikTok, and I kept seeing TikTok pop up, like people sharing stuff or like articles coming out about TikTok. So I decided to start a TikTok account. I'm also sure if you went through COVID-19 lockdown that you were probably cleaning and painting and baking and doing all of those like token lockdown things. So what I did is I started a random TikTok account. I just wanted to suss it out, see what the platform was about. And I started sharing time lapses on there of me cleaning and baking and just doing random shit. I remember one night I went to bed and I'd uploaded a video and the next morning I woke up and had 20,000 views and I was like, oh, like this actually works. You can reach a new audience. But as you may have experienced yourself, the fun and excitement of cleaning wears off very quickly. So I probably had this account for maybe a couple of weeks. I was posting stuff, I was getting views, but I was like, this is not, I'm over it, like I'm bored. A few weeks later is when I realized that, okay, lockdown's going to extend, I've got time on my hands, what can I do? And I decided to do YouTube because it was something I've always wanted to do. And then I remembered that I'd gotten those random views on that TikTok account where I'd made the time lapses. So I thought, if I'm creating content on YouTube and I need to build up my following on YouTube to hit the requirements to get monetized, what if I created a TikTok account and then could funnel those followers across to YouTube? That was why I created my TikTok account. I'd been on the platform for a while before I started getting a lot of views and stuff, and I think one of my first viral videos was when I was making up a helium wall. I'd filmed a time lapse and that did really well. I think that got up to like 300,000 views and I was like, what is happening? But I was also getting a lot of followers from that. And then I was, again, just sharing little snippets of my life. It wasn't all balloon content. I remember I made one, I think my first crazy viral video, which I think has like 18 million views or something now, was of me making up a gender reveal balloon. And that just went crazy. So anytime you get a viral video, it spikes everything else. My YouTube views spike, like everything just went crazy. If you have a business or if you're trying to build a personal brand, I highly recommend trialing TikTok. When I say trialing TikTok, I don't mean just like one video here or there. You need to be dedicated to this, because if it works, it will skyrocket your business. Like, I've seen businesses sell out of stuff because their videos went viral on TikTok. I'm now going to give you my top 4 tips for TikTok. So this isn't just about growth. This is just about how to make your TikTok work best for you. Tip number 1 is make sure that your bio and that your account is set up correctly. I want you to think about what your plan is for your TikTok. For me, as I mentioned before, I wanted to grow my YouTube channel. So on my TikTok account now, if you go into my bio, you will see that it has my Linktree account. What that means is people can click on that and then they're given a list of all of the different links that I want them to see. So my Instagram account, my YouTube account, my TikTok account, you've got my balloon garland course, my YouTube videos, all of that is in one quick and easy link for people to find me. If you have a business and you're selling a product, this is where you would put your website address. I've also seen a lot of businesses that sell on TikTok, in their bio they'll have like a 10% discount code, use code TikTok, something like that, that makes their TikTok followers go and buy a product, and then you're able to see and track that conversion and see that they're actually coming from TikTok. My second tip, and this one's super important, is that you need to be posting consistently. When I first started, because I was in lockdown, I was posting so many videos a day. Like, I think one day it was up to like 15 videos a day, and it's because like I loved it. Like, I enjoyed putting videos out and just letting it see where the algorithm would take it. Like, some videos performed really good, some ones didn't. It was so sporadic, but it's so interesting, and I would recommend this to everyone. Try and get as much content out as possible. Don't try and spend your time perfecting one video, because it's likely the video that you spend hours and hours on creating and editing and making it look beautiful will get 2 views, and one that you've just quickly pushed together could get millions. Like, it just try and get out as much content as possible. My next tip is to research hashtags. So I mention this to anyone who comes to me asking for advice, is to research hashtags relevant to your goals on TikTok. So pretend I have a glasses company. These, I don't even know where they've come from. Anyway, pretend I own a glasses company. I would be searching the hashtag glasses. I just want it just to see what content is being created around glasses, to see what are people doing, what's trending, what are the top videos, what other hashtags are they using. Stuff like that can really help push your business. I know when I first started, I was using the hashtag small business. If you go onto the Discover page on TikTok, it'll show you the trending hashtags, and if they're relevant to you, use them. Make sure that you're constantly checking this to see what is trending and could you create content that aligns with that. The next tip I have for you is jumping on trends. Now, when I say trends, it's not just that like a dance move could be trending, or a sound could be trending, or a hashtag could be trending. There are so many different things that can be trending on TikTok. So it's really key for you to do your own research, be scrolling on the app, seeing what's happening, and jumping on trends as early as possible, because they can really leverage your account. If you are brand new to TikTok and you're feeling super overwhelmed by the platform, you have no idea how to post, when to post, what to post, I can help you. When I first started seeing traction on my account, I had a lot of friends friends and family reach out wanting help, and I was more than happy to help them. But it got to a point where I was getting so many questions and I was repeating myself over and over again. So I ended up creating an ebook. Now, when I first started this ebook, I was just gonna have it as like a document that you download. But I thought that's not enough. For you guys to actually learn, I wanted to create video tutorials. So if you purchase my ebook, you also get access to a private Facebook page which has all of the course content in this page for you to access. It's super affordable and it's perfect for beginners to TikTok. I will link it below, and if you use the code YouTube, you'll get 50% off the course. In the ebook, I also run you through how to do a proper hashtag search. I give you lots of examples and ideas, and if you ever have questions, you can post them in the Facebook group to ask for help. My goal for this video was to inspire you to get on TikTok. Give it a try. You just don't know what could happen, and it could literally change your life. As I mentioned in the video, I have a TikTok ebook. This is perfect for those that are beginners to TikTok and have no real idea of what to post or how to use the platform. I've linked that below, and if you use the code YouTube, all in capitals, you'll get 50% off it as well. Thank you for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video.